Hello everyone, myself Chef Mohan Soni. Today I am going to make rajma and soya ki chop. This dish is just like I'm going to make the non-veg seekh kebab. More or less ingredient which I'm going to use is taste like after making as a non-veg dish, but this is fully vegetarian dish. Here soya bean nuggets, boiled rajma with a little salt and bay leaves and garam whole spices. For the color I am going to use fresh beetroot boiled, some chopped onions, red chili for a spice, homemade ground masalas, ginger and garlic whole. So what we'll do, we'll take all the ingredients together except the chopped onions. I'll put all the things in the one mixie grinder with a little salt as per your taste. So I just repeat: chopped ginger garlic, soybean की बड़ियाँ, nutrients of soybeans, boiled rajma, garam masala powder, boiled beetroot and chili powder as per our taste. Once we got a mixture after grinding like this, so I have to see the mixture is not so loose, not so tight. If mixture is not so tight or firm, we'll add in this roasted chana powder. So the chop will use a wooden spoons. What I'll do, I'll take this in the mixtures and mix it up well. So take a small portion of the mixture. So you can see this is not sticky, it's not very loose. Place in a hand like this, press it and start rolling. This is very easy to make. Give the shape. So your wooden sticks got a mixture. Leave little end part of the wooden stick for a holding. So your chops are ready. This easily can cook grill top and pan. For the same, I have non-sticking pan here. This can roast as well. I'll put some desi ghee. So you can see I haven't used so much of oil, very little amount of fat we need. Prefer to use a desi ghee for nice good flavor and taste. So this mixture doesn't need so much of cooking because rajma is already cooked, soybean is partial cooked and soaked, beetroot is fully cooked and boiled, and for coloring we use in fact beetroot to give nice feel of non-veg meat, lamb color and texture. If person doesn't know this is vegetarian, so after taste, very difficult to judge this is a vegetarian dish. Make sure you cook all over the sides. If you put in the oven, that's very ideal to cook, because it has to be cooked all over the sides as well automatically, because of the dry heats all over in roasted ovens. So I repeat the ingredients once again while this is getting cooked. We used for rajma and soya bean chop. So rajma boiled, soya bean soaked, chopped green chilies, ginger, garlic, some homemade ground spices powder, and boiled beetroot, ground chili powder for a taste and color, and of course salt and as per requirement. So you can see the chops are ready now. It is well cooked all over the sides. You can serve on the wooden stick and off the wooden stick as per your liking. Just like that, I have a mint chutney with me. I love to have my red chutneys. For my red chutney, you please see my another videos. So, see, your soya chop and rajma ki chops are ready now, ready to taste. Please subscribe my YouTube channel.